Let's unbox the Seatouch 3 Pro. It costs $160 plus taxes. So it comes with this box. So let's open it. So this looks like here is the first part of the case. So this is all depends what phone are you using. So here's written a model for smaller versions. Yep. Here's it is the case, so it's some protector, not sure for what is it. So interesting quality, not so there's some cables, yeah, some cables. I mean, there's not much stuff, but also useful when you're shooting underwater. You can put it on your hand, not to lose it. And compare the Sea Life, I can feel it much better quality. Here it's like some soft touch, like protection screen, so you don't need to connect it via Bluetooth. So, but here you just a piece of glass, so basically metal, and it will be much better for protection underwater. Yeah, I can feel the quality is super soft here. It feels was the Sea Life is much expensive. So here's the other case. So yes, you have to carry it on only with this case, with this one, because this one here's the glass, so that's good. It's going to look much better. So this one is just a handle, there's nothing inside on it, just for easy carry. Yeah, I'm not sure if I would trust to put 1200's phone into it. Doesn't seems like super strong. Let me know comments below if you already tested it and